You feeling confident about this match?
So confident.
Tactics going into this?
I do, but as soon as Pete on Purpose is behind the camera, I'm not going to say what it is because I don't want him copying me.
Final words for your competitor?
I think I might take you by surprise.
Ooh, big words. Okay, we'll see you at the fight.
Cheers.
Okay, how are you feeling?
Super confident. She is going down.
Okay, so I think you're claiming this as your first food challenge, is that correct?
That is correct.
I have on good authority that you tried to do a 10,000 calorie challenge before and failed.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, so you think you'll be more successful with this challenge than the one you apparently didn't do?
Yes.
Any words to your opponent?
You're going down. You're getting dipped quicker than these dippers.
Does that make sense?
You down to dipper town. Hello and welcome to the video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from the regular video, and today's video I'm going to be doing an eating challenge. And as soon as I said the word eating and challenge, Mrs. Purpose's ears perked up and she wanted to become a part of it too. So today we're going to do a husband and wife eat off. So enough rambling and I'm going to head off to the shops. Hello and welcome to another video. So in today's video, as you can probably tell, I'm doing an eating competition versus Mrs. Purpose. As soon as I said I wanted to do something food related, she wouldn't leave me alone until I included her in the video. So yeah, I was going to do 100 nuggets because that seems to be a popular challenge, but we've just split it in half. We're doing 50 dippers because we prefer dippers.
Well, I don't know, I chose them, so...
She chose dippers. So yeah, we're going to be doing 50 dippers each. We're going to see hopefully if we can do it. And secondly, if so, who can do it in the fastest time? Yeah, we've not really done anything like this before, so we thought it'd be a fun video to make. You know, don't really see many vegan eating challenges. So yeah, I guess we'll start the clock. 3, 2, 1. Straight in.
Ketchup.
Oh, good luck. Cheers.
Yeah, nice.
Mmm.
I do like them. They already feel quite filling.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're definitely heavy-ish.
Nice.
Why you're walking them?
It's going to be interesting to see because I do watch like eating challenge videos, and when you watch them you're always like, that's so easy, I could definitely eat that. And this does actually look quite easy now, but I wonder if we're going to like hit a wall or flavour fatigue or all these things you hear them say. So each plate of 50 dippers is actually 2,500 calories. So this is like a day's worth amount of calories and about 150 grams of fat, which is probably like 3 days worth amount of fat, and about 70.
No.
Yeah. and about 78 grams of protein, so we're going to hit our protein requirements for today. I watch food challenges and they say go as long as you can without sauce, because then you add it in the end and it's like having a whole new food. I don't know.
A bit more intuitive. I dip when I want to dip.
I know the challenges, they try and do it in under 10 minutes.
Oh, that's obviously not going to happen, is it? That would be nugget every 12 seconds. These are delicious though. These are, actually I haven't had these ones before. The green cuisine, green planet, the pea protein
Green cuisine.
instead of soy. But really, really tasty.
Doesn't seem to be
Oh
moving.
wow, yours has gone down a lot.
So, told you I've been training for this my whole life.
I feel like I have. I feel like I couldn't eat faster. Like, I'm literally one after the other. Maybe it might be a bit posh for me. Sometimes you just need like the cheapest of something. You know, just like basic.
I like that with ketchup. Oh yeah. Kind schmines.
Yeah, tell them about your 10,000 calorie challenge.
I know what you're talking about. I did do it. Just wasn't in the day. It started at 10 a.m. and I finished at 2 a.m.
He had some big talk. We were in Canada and went to a 10,000 calorie challenge. And you fell asleep before you finished.
But I did wake up at 2 a.m. and finished off the ice cream.
Technically in 24 hours, but not in a typical day. He accidentally bought muesli instead of granola, which was so filling.
That kind of messed it up. That did make me think though I could do a 10,000 easy, like 3,000 calories of
for your
muesli, and I ate like a pack of bagels for lunch,
What did you have for dinner though? Was it
pizza, chips, ice cream, and
Oh
then
yeah, day of pizza. And
whole
then
apple pie.
I was so jealous. I could have put some dippers on your plate then.
That would be funny if I watch back.
It's quite surprising here. You're halfway there.
So this is a testament on my channel that I make these high voluminous, low calorie foods, because I've already eaten like well over 1,000 calories in about 5 minutes, and it literally doesn't feel like I've eaten anything. Highly processed, high fat foods. They're fun to eat, but if you eat them every day, you're not gonna look how you want to look, or maybe you will. It's quite fun just going dry. I don't think until before, I've never had a dry, like whenever you get nuggets or anything, it's like having chips, but they're actually quite nice just plain.
Yeah, I'm sure. I did have one.
Could be the way forward.
I'm not sure when I'll next eat them again.
We've got 22 left.
I'm not gonna count.
10 minutes. Whew. Yeah, under 20 would be nice. That's like all my challenges though, like the squat challenge. I have no reference way if that's a good or bad time. It's just I set what I think is a time.
Or did you see someone do 100 in an hour?
I think 100 in like 10 minutes.
No. No.
I could definitely stop now and be very satisfied. So this is
Same.
the proverbial
Like 30 of that.
food wall. She's been given such big talk like all week. You're going down, I can eat so much more than you. Because she eats like cake when I normally eat healthy food. I just knew.
I guess you're so much faster, so.
Yeah, well, even if you get them down, I'll be proud.
It was looking all nice.
No, I organised the bottom. That sums up like how we keep things. I'm like all neat and organised, and you just dump your stuff everywhere. Oof, 8 minutes.
You've got it easy.
I feel sick. We've got 8 minutes. Let's get 11 down. Should be good. That's 20 minutes as the goal I set for myself.
Just eating one after the other, after the other. After
It's
the
not
other.
really, you watch these challenges online and you think, oh, it'd be so fun. But it's not actually fun really, it's just more of a challenge. It's like the same as doing push-up challenge this is. Just like rep, rep, rep. I'm plain all the way for me. Who knew?
Not me.
I don't know if I could do 100 of these, you know. I'd have to take some serious training. Time goes faster as you get more full. Five minutes. Whew. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yes. Last one. Nice, 60 minutes 30. Probably terrible, but I'm happy.
That must be a joke. I'm like halfway through. There's 24 left.
Halfway, you can do it. We sit here all
I don't
day.
know if I want to do it.
Just keep on, we'll get chill here for a bit, just nice and slow.
So yeah, I guess I was wrong. It's not been our last one.
Well, that was a good contest.
22 left.
Not bad, so you did 26.
28.
Oh, it's under 20 minutes.
28. I honestly thought it would be so easy. I blame that mayonnaise. She made me feel a bit sick with that mayo.
Blame the mayo.
Oh my gosh.
Any final words? Would you do a pudding challenge in the future?
I would.
Okay, so that's going to be the end of the video this week. Yeah, my first eating challenge. I may do some more of these because I'm pretty stoked with how I went. If I do hit 100 subscribers, I'm willing to attempt 100 nuggets in an hour. So this is 50, so this is kind of like halfway. Could I do 50 more? I have to subscribe to find out.
I may only appear on maybe a pudding one or something like that spicy chili lolly, like Beard Meats Food did the other day.
Oh yeah, spicy or dessert challenge.
Yeah, I think volume for me, unless it's a dessert, is going to be a challenge.
So she's out for volume, but she may be back in for a sweet or a chili challenge.
Yeah, then maybe high calorie but smaller. I think I could.
Yeah, easy stuff. Anyway, if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe if you're new, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Not giving up. There's 18 left. I had 3 earlier as a snack. Bueno.
I'm just on my brownie. Woo!